Let's learn the chapter in the mathematics of standard 6th. The name of the chapter is angles. We know the three types of angles, but in this chapter we learn the various types of angles in detail. So let's learn the various types of angles with the help of two sticks of different colors. The first angle is zero angle. In figure A, the two sticks lie one upon the other. There is no change in their position. In this position, the angle between the sticks is called a zero angle. The measure of the zero angle is written as 0 degree. म्हणजेच झिरो अँगलचं मेजरमेंट 0 डिग्री असते. नेक्स्ट इज acute angle. Now keeping one stick in place and turn the other one around as shown in the figure. Okay, like this. This angle is called acute angle. This acute angle is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. 90 अंश माप असलेल्या कोणापेक्षा लहान कोण असेल तर तो acute angle असतो. Next is right angle. The angle formed in the figure C is called right angle. The measurement of this angle is 90 degree. So this angle is called right angle. 90 अंश माप असलेल्या कोणाला काटकोन म्हणतात. Next is obtuse angle. The angle formed in the figure D is called obtuse angle. This angle is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. म्हणजेच हा विशाल कोन आहे याचे माप 90 अंशापेक्षा जास्त व 180 अंशापेक्षा कमी असते. Next is straight angle. Look at in the figure E. If the stick is turned further in the direction shown in the figure D, we get a position as in the figure E. An angle like this is called straight angle. A straight angle measures 180 degree. म्हणजेच सरळ कोन हा 180 अंशाचा असतो. Then next is reflex angle. Look at this figure. If the stick is turned even further as shown in the figure E, we get an angle like the one in the figure F. This angle is greater than 180 degree. Such an angle is called reflex angle. A reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. यालाच आपण प्रविशाल कोन असेही म्हणतो. Next angle is full or complete angle. The stick in figure F completes one round and comes back to its original position as in figure G. It turns through 180 degree till it made a straight angle and 180 after making the straight angle, thus completing 360 degree. An angle made in this way is called a full or complete angle. The measurement of the complete angle is what? Right, 360 degree. जेव्हा सरळ कोन 180 अंशाचा असतो तेव्हा तो तसाच पुढे सरकून पूर्ण एक राऊंड पूर्ण करतो तेव्हा 360 अंशाचा कोन तयार होतो. यालाच आपण पूर्ण कोन असे म्हणतो. ओके स्टुडंट्स, इन दिस वे वी completed one part of this chapter, that is types of angles. Now let's rewind it. Okay, first is zero angle, then acute angle, then right angle. Fourth one is obtuse angle, then straight angle, then next is reflex angle, and the last one is full or complete angle. Okay students, with the help of this video, you draw these angles with their names and measurements. Then students, I will tell you the remaining part of the chapter in the next video, that is how to draw angle bisector and various things about that. Now you can solve the practice set 2 with the help of this video. Okay, thank you.